Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, and today we'll be taking a look at the 2018 Toyota Camry XSE V6. So this is a 4-door, 5-passenger sedan, and the color is called Platinum White Pearl, and it has that awesome black roof and some other black details around the exterior. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 19-inch alloy wheels. Now, some of your features include your rear collision and your rear cross traffic alert. You also have your fully automatic headlights, and you have your awesome heads-up display, which I absolutely love driving with. But there's a ton of stuff happening on the inside, so why don't we hop on in and take a look. Helping you into your Camry is this handy-dandy Toyota Smart Key. Now on your fob, you have your lock, your unlock, your trunk release, and your panic button. Pushing the unlock button once will unlock the front doors, and pushing it twice will unlock all four. And you can see there that you do have your side view mirror signal indicators. That's going to be really great for heavy traffic or if you're traveling on the highway. And then another safety feature here is your side blind zone alert, so that's going to be really helpful for you as well. Now I'm going to lock this back up. Because it is a Toyota Smart Key, we are not going to be needing our key at all. It does have a proximity sensor on it, so I'm just going to place my hand on the handle. And if you could hear that beeping, it means it's unlocked. And you can see this gorgeous red interior right away, really eye-catching. You do have some storage here in the driver's side door. You also have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Then moving a little bit further in, you have 2 sets of floor mats, including your all-weather floor mats to keep your vehicle nice and clean. And then you have your power adjustable driver's seat. So not lots of ways to get nice and comfortable on those long rides. And once again, this beautiful red leather interior all throughout the interior. And you have your panoramic moon roof, really beautiful, let the sun shine in, and you can see the red interior is all throughout the back as well. So lots of really great color, really unique, very stylish. On the left-hand side of your steering wheel here, you have a few really great features. You do have your automatic high beams. That's a really great feature for traveling on the highway. And you also have your 360-degree view camera there. And I'm going to be showing you that in a couple of seconds. I'm just going to hop on in. We'll start it up. Features that we have happening with the Camry, lots of great stuff happening. So we're going to start this up. Once again, it's proximity keys, so it is the push start. We're not going to need our keys for that. And then taking a look at the information display, beautiful display, nice and ambient, easy on the eyes. And then you have that red lighting in there as well to complement the interior. So moving a little bit further back, leather wrapped steering wheel, really nice. You also have all of the mounted controls that you're going to want. You have your menu selection button here. So this is going to be for your center information display. This is going to be your distance to empty. This is going to be all of your driving support systems, so your lane departure warning and your cruise control, things like that. You also have your pre-collision system, your park assist, your blind spot monitor, and your rear cross traffic alert settings that you can set. So this is all very, very handy stuff, all part of Toyota Safety Sense P. And moving a little bit further up, I'm not sure if you can see it, but that heads-up display is also another fantastic safety feature. So you don't have to take your eyes off the road. It is displayed for you right on your windshield. Really nice. If you've never had heads-up display, it will change the way you drive. Moving forward, we do have our volume control, your voice command, and your hands-free calling. And then on the right-hand side here, you have your lane departure warning alert, and you have your dynamic radar cruise control, which is also part of Toyota Safety Sense, which works in conjunction with your cruise control just there. Then you have your mode changing buttons just under that for your music. Speaking of music, we do have everything that you're going to want in your audio section here. We have your AM FM radio. You also have your Sirius XM, and you have your CD player, you have your Bluetooth, and you have your USB. So everything that you're going to want in terms of music. Within your apps, this is going to be where we're going to set up your Entune 3.0. And within that, you have Yelp, you have other streaming devices that you can use. You also can check the weather. You can even check your stocks if that's what you would like. And that's just set up when you purchase your vehicle, or we can set it up for you during a test drive. So come on in and ask us about that. We can show you a little bit more. You can also find some more information about that on our website. Moving a little bit further down here, you do have your dual zone climate control. That's really nice if somebody runs a little warmer or cooler than yourself. And then right under here is your hands-free, your USB and your audio input. And then you have your 12-volt DC plug-in in case you have anything else that you would like to charge. And speaking of charging, we have your Qi wireless charging station just there. So you do have your sport mode, which works in conjunction as well with your paddle shifters, which are just back here. And then you have a couple of cup holders. You have your 3 different driving modes, which is really nice. Then you have your heated seats for your driver and your passenger. Now I am going to show you the 360-degree view. So this is if you're backing out of your driveway, you want to see if there's anything blocking your path. I'm just going to click this button here. Sorry for the camera movement. This button here, this 360-degree view, is going to give you the 360-degree view of your entire vehicle. So it's showing the delivery bay, which I'm in at the moment, and it just keeps going until you push it off. And then for the rear vision camera, again, you do have that 360-degree view right here, and then you also have your 3 different options to view the rear view camera back there. So lots of great safety features, an absolute fun vehicle to drive, and also one of the safest vehicles as well. So moving a little bit further in here, we do have your lockable glove box. Nice big glove box with all of the manuals that you're going to need. And again, you can see that gorgeous red leather interior, excuse me. Lots of really great stuff happening in the front of your Camry. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo. Taking a look at the back of your Camry now, lots going on back here as well. You do have all of your rear parking sensors along your bumper there, and I'm not sure if you noticed, but you can see this black spoiler, really stylish, really nice shape to it. We do have an automatic trunk release, so we're just going to open this up here and we'll take a look at the cargo space. Now, lots and lots of cargo space. Just because you're driving a sedan doesn't mean you don't have anything to carry, so this is nice and big for you. Carry along all of your stuff. Right under here, this clips up nice and easy for you. And then right under here is your spare tire with all of the tools and jacks you're going to need. So, you know, gosh forbid anything happen to you while you're on the road, but if it does, you do have those tools to get you back to safety. I'm just going to pop that right back down there. And we'll close this up and give you a nice view of the back of your Camry. Giving you a final look then of the 2018 Toyota Camry XSE V6. Now there is so much happening with this Camry that I didn't get a chance to go through all of the features on this brief walk around. So come on in, take it for a test drive, ask all of the questions that you'd like. We're here to help. We're very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. My name is Elisa. Thanks again for watching, and until we see you, drive safe.